Antioxidants are very important for you to maintain a very healthy body and externally to have skin that looks very glowing and healthy. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe of an antioxidant-rich tea which you can drink pretty much every day to keep your skin looking very healthy. We need only two ingredients. One is organic green tea and second is some saffron. Green tea is a very good source of antioxidants, polyphenols like catechin. Saffron also is a very good source of antioxidants like crocin and crocitin, and there have been a lot of scientific studies that have linked saffron to a reduction in excess melanin production, which externally means that saffron can help reduce the look of dark spots or unevenness of skin also. All you need is one bag of organic green tea and 4 or 5 strands of saffron. You add some hot water to this and allow it to steep for about 4 to 5 minutes, after which you're ready to enjoy your saffron green tea for bright, healthy and glowing skin. Our Apsara product has pure saffron in it. It's our root saffron bright skin potion. All you need is about 2 or 3 drops morning and night and you're all set. If you found this video informative, follow my page, and if you'd like to make a video about your skin concern, type your skin type or tell me what your top skin concern is in comments. Would you like to book a personal skin or hair care video session with me? If yes, tell me in comments below, send me a message or just send me an email.